Hey y'all, I am Miscellaneous Michelle, and I want to bring to you my long-awaited video on my Vietnam Remy Hair. I actually got the inches 26, 3 bundles that is. And where do I start? I guess I'll just start with the maintenance of this hair. This hair is very low maintenance. I mean, seriously. Some nights I don't even wrap my hair, and I just straight lay down on it. And when I wake up, it's not all bushy, it's not all over my head, it's not looking crazy. It literally just looks like I combed and went to bed. Okay, so that's number one. Okay, let me tell you something. Okay, on better nights, what I do is I just plait it and put it into 2 plaits, and then I just unravel in the morning. And I notice when I go to sleep like that, when I put the plaits in and I unravel it, it actually loses its wave. That's funny. So the next morning, what I have to do is I actually have to wet it to make the wave pop again. So that's what I have to do when I go to sleep and I plait it. But for the most part, this hair is fabulous. It's flawless. I'm telling you, when I wear this hair, I don't have to carry a brush around with me. In my bag, all I have is my chapstick and maybe my lipstick and some lotion, because I stay with some ashy knuckles. God damn. But anywho, yeah, I literally do not have to comb this hair, okay? I could go 2-3 days without combing this hair. I could just break my hair straight on through and look, you can get right on through this hair. Now all I do is condition this hair every single week, and I do it with the silicone mix conditioner, and this hair is flawless. It gives me no issues. Now let's talk about the shedding. Now the shedding, I probably get at least maybe 2 strands a freaking week. That's it, okay? This hair barely sheds. The wefts on this hair are just wonderful, okay? They're a dream. All right, let me see. It hasn't lost any length, because you know sometimes when you wear that AliExpress hair, it loses some of the length. It hasn't lost any of the length. Then let me see, the ends on this hair is still nice. And this is actually the wavy hair. The way, hopefully you can see the ends. The ends on this hair is still nice and everything. And this hair blends so well with my natural hair. Let me see if you can get in there. See that? It blends so well with my natural hair. I actually don't have any product on my leave out or anything like that. I probably should have laid my edges down before I made this video. But you know what? I want to come to you, you know, raw, you know, and you know, because you actually want to see how it looks before I put any product or anything on there. Now, anything, let me see, anything else? Yeah, so this is the natural wave. I haven't done anything to it but put some water on there and brush it, you know. So this is the natural wave. It hasn't lost any length. The ends are beautiful. Let me see. This hair, let me say, when I'm walking down the street and everything, the wind is blowing, this hair blows like Beyonce's fan is following me, alright? This hair is the bomb, I'm telling you. And for me to have a toddler son, I can't be dealing with my hair, you know, comb my hair and then fixing it, you know, and fight with him. This hair stays in place and let me take care of my boy. Alright? So this hair is the bomb. I would definitely recommend this hair. And I actually plan on buying some more of their different textures. I actually want to try their curly hair and let me see, maybe their deep wavy hair too. I want to try that also. And maybe even their straight. Because this hair is the bomb. It's so good, I'm literally going to go back and get some more. You know. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. This hair is definitely a plug. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try and turn it around so you guys can see how it looks in the back. Let's see. Hopefully you get a whiff of that. Can y'all see that there? That's how it looks to the back. Let's see. You can just comb it, rake your hands right on through it without any issue. Okay? Oh, a little tangle right there. But you see what I'm saying? There's nothing you can't take your hands right on through. But yeah, like I said, I am Miscellaneous Michelle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what's up. Have you gotten this hair? How do you feel about it?